Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. We are back with another one. Do not forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and hit that notification bell so you will be informed on when I next post. Today I am super excited because tomorrow I will be in Vermont living it up, having a good time, and I'm going to be doing a little clubbing out in Vermont, which is a new scene. I've never ever experienced it before, so I'm super excited. Anyways guys, I'm about to hit the gym, get this workout in, and I'm gonna bring you guys with me for a little bit. So yeah, let's get this workout in. Hey guys, and we are back. I just got back from skiing. I didn't record that because I wanted to make the best of it. I'm in Vermont. So we just got to the hotel and I just want to do a quick room tour. I look crazy because I need to get myself together because we're going to go to dinner tonight. I'm going to film that as well. But we got to Vermont. We did skiing, little recap. And yeah, I'm about to show you guys the room tour. So this is the bedroom with the mirror. It's really cute. We have the closet storage here. We have the restroom here. It's the restroom. The jet tub. Me. Looking crazy, but whatever. We got the hallway. The closet. The fireplace, the kitchen, the living room. Yep, so this is pretty much it. It's really nice. Yeah guys, I'm about to get myself together. I need to do my hair. And I will see you guys in a little bit. Hey guys, I am back. It is day 2 in Vermont. I just did skiing. I decided not to record just because you guys have seen me ski so many times. I didn't want to do it over again and make it seem really repetitive. So I just got back from skiing, as you know, and we're about to head out to dinner. We're gonna wash, head out to dinner, and do a couple other activities. So yep. I'm just going to get myself together, put some makeup on probably, get myself looking good, like better actually, get my hair done because my hair looks crazy from the helmet. So I'm just going to curl my hair, probably straighten it, I don't know. But I need to fix my hair because it looks crazy from the helmet. So yes, we're supposed to be doing a club tonight. It's supposed to be a famous club called the Pickle, I think. So we're probably going to do that. But yeah guys, stay tuned. Outfit check. So we got Akira, bodysuit from Akira, shoes from Saks, moon boots, and we have the Jimmy Choo studs. And yeah guys, this is the fit. All white on body looking like milk. That's what Ludacris said, yeah.